or grounded for 0 years. Go your room now.
Where are we going? Evia, even if there is a storm.
She was just
Sa kayo
17.
nakakita ng nabagyo pero pupunta sa mall.
I think I was 23.
Ito lang.
People started to talk. You know what I mean. You were out of my league. I think it's still plain to see. Sometimes I still don't know what you're doing with me. You took me home. I had to be your dad.
It's too long.
Everybody thought he'd be mad. We didn't care.
Up and down. No, that's not dead. Please. Just dead.
As the years have gone by, I've had to swallow my pride. After all that I've done, you're still by my side.
And no, just dead.
Bakit ka lumalabas ng nabagyo? Ha? Why are you going outside ng ulan?
It's raining.
Yeah, it's raining. Oh, bakit ka lumalabas? Evan. Man. Evan! Ba't ka lumalabas ang bumabagyo? Ha?
Kasi it's raining.
Kaya nga, it's raining but you're going outside?
Yes.
She was just 17. I think I was 23. People started to talk. You know what I mean. You were out of my league. I think it's
Oh no! Oh, the next dog goes to my monopoly. Oh yeah, no, it's just $100. No, he's in jail. I'm gonna give money to a criminal. That's not how you play. Mommy, why is brother screaming? The best time we go to last funeral. I was never born. Two. That's not.
Malapit na tayo sa... Malapit na tayo sa... Evia. Lakas po ng ulan. Pero mall pa rin. Sa Evia.
batang
Likas ng ulan. Pero we're here na sa Evia.
Power from home TV. Gusto mo ng tour?
Magtutour ka?
Yes.
Saan?
Si Lola.
Kayo ni Lola, mag-tour kayo. Lakas ng ulan guys, pero ang dami pa rin mga persons going to the mall. Punta na tayo sa parking. Pero yung mga nagtatrabaho sa mall, pasok din sila.
I-search mo yung Bobby Let's Play.
So, ang ending guys, sa SM na lang tayo. Kasi yung Evia, wala silang parking sa loob.
brown out na.
Wala daw kuryente yung parking nila.
Brown
Sa labas
out.
kami pinagpa-park. Eh, ang lakas ng ulan.
Brown out.
Paano?
Maano?
So, saan tayo? Dito lang tayo sa SM. SM Molino. Labas-labas pa kasi ng nabagyo eh. Nalungkot ang anak ko. Ay, loko, kita ka sa video. You're crying. Oh. Nalungkot siya kasi gusto niya sa Evia pumunta.
Huggy.
Ah, yeah, huggy. It's okay. Ay, kita ka na sa video that you're crying. Oh.
No. I want my mom.
Evan, are you happy na? Saan tayo napunta, babe? Babe, saan tayo napunta?
Iya, walang ilaw.
Savory na lang. You're working. Oh, let's check the others. Other stuff.
How to spell?
Ayan si Daddy, oh. Sabihin mo sa kanya.
Ano yan? Under 1,000 lang, ano? Hanap ka ng 1,000 lang yung price. 1,500 lang ba?
Hi.
Ayan, gusto mo yan? Eh, mahal din yan. 1,600 din.
Can you spell?
Under 1,000 lang na.
Hi, Mom. Nice. Galing pala ha. O ano? Yung daddy mo, dun ka inaano sa may ano eh, sa iba.
Diba? Tingnan mo muna kung yung sticker. Nasaan ang sticker yan? Mamaya wala na namang sticker yan. Ah, ayun, yung sticker. Ito.
What did you get, Evan, dun sa ano? Ano yun? Claw machine. No, that one, oh.
The claw machine.
Ano yung nakuha mo?
Elephant.
Show the camera. Anong name niyan?
Si Ella.
Ella the elephant. Hindi natin na video nung nanalo ka sa claw machine. Si Daddy. You happy? Kahit na bagyo. Lumabas tayo.
Galing mo po kay... Galing mo kay Los.
Dalhin ko po.
Galing ko po ng
Yung
alphabet box kay Lola.